There are 11 buttons in a bag. 7 buttons are white, 4 buttons are black. Harley takes a button at random from the bag and keeps it. She now takes another button from the bag. Work out the probability that Harley takes a button of each color. For this question, we have to work out um, two cases, because what can happen is, so if we say case 1, so in case 1 the first button that Harley picks out, so the first button is white and the second button is black, and the next case is the first button is black and the second button is white, and we have to add the two cases. So answer would be the result for case 1 plus case 2. That would be the answer. So let us work out the probability in each of the cases. So for the first button to be white, there are 7 white buttons. So the first button to be white, it will be 7 out of 11. And the second button to be black, so once we have picked out a button, there are 10 buttons left, so denominator is 10 and it is 4 out of 10. So case 1 probability would equal 7 out of 11 multiplied by 4 out of 10, and that equals 28 out of 110. For case 2, the first button is black, that would be, so case 1 and case 2 are either this happens or that happens, but we have to take both into account. So 7 buttons black, so 4 buttons are black, so it will be 4 out of 11. And next white would be, there are 7 white buttons, however the first button has been picked out or kept outside, so there are 10 buttons now, so it will be 7 out of 10. So case 2 probability would be 4 out of 11 multiplied by 7 out of 10, and that's again 28 out of 110. So the answer would be case 1 plus case 2, and that would be 28 out of 110 plus 28 out of 110, and that would give you 28 times 2 out of 110. So 2 and 110, it would be 5 and 155, so that would give you 28 out of 55, and that's the answer. So we write it down, that would be 28 out of 55.